Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
I'm with Melinda, and what are we doing today?
We're going to Blizzard Beach in the rain.
To Blizzard Beach. I'm hyped for this. I'm hoping that because it's supposed to rain, that there's not going to be many people. And I'm also hoping that we can meet Kristoff there.
Yes.
Because this is the only location where you can meet Kristoff.
Yeah. And then we're also going to get the mini donuts. She hasn't been there before, but the donuts are really good.
Yes.
So we're going to get those.
Also, before we go to Blizzard Beach, Melinda and I are also going to Cast Connection, so that's going to be exciting. Hopefully there's good stuff, but hopefully not, because I don't want to spend a ton of money, even though I know I probably would. Yeah, so we're going to check that out. I'm tired, but it's okay. I'm also a tiny bit burned from yesterday, because yesterday was sunny and warm, so like my chest and like some of my shoulders. But I put aloe on, so I'm hoping it's a little bit better. My face isn't burned, trust me, it's just my face gets really red. Now before we go to Blizzard Beach, we each bought at least one thing. So Melinda's gonna show us what she got. So this is a haul.
Got this green shirt says Enchanted Tiki Room.
Love it.
So cute.
So
you can get a cute photo or something.
You can take it outside the Tiki Room.
Yes. Cute. That was my thought, exactly. And then we got this hat for 10 cents. And it says Lauren
on the back. And we have a roommate. Lauren.
And it's the adult size, so she can wear it or just...
I thought it was the youth size.
Oh wait, maybe this is the youth size. Just kidding, but she can like pin it to her head or something.
Yes.
Or just like use it.
Cute.
For decor. We thought that was funny.
Cute.
And then I also got a mug, but it's wrapped. It's
the
from Port Orleans French Quarter, and it has like Mickey and Minnie and the Jester costume.
Yes.
So that's my haul.
Alright, so the only thing I got was this shirt. So basically, I just need to find shoelaces to put right here. But it's so cute! Oh my goodness! And it wasn't that bad. I love it! Yay! 55 cars here, so like, that's not bad at all. But then we have to take in like the buses that I forgot about. But I don't think it's gonna be that bad of a day. Like I think, and the sun's coming out is behind me. Like
it's nice because it's warm, but it's not like scorching.
Yeah,
you know?
It's like a good day for it.
Yeah,
I'm so excited. We got it! I'm so cute. Cast members. We have to get a picture in the toboggans. We're gonna go take pictures. How cute! Update.
No Kristoff.
No Kristoff. He doesn't meet here.
Sad.
Darn. I wanted to meet him. It's okay. We can still see him in the Hollywood studio show. Of course. Look at it. Amazing. There's no one here. And the sun has come out. Yay! All right, we're gonna go take some pictures now. It's recording. Yay! We're at Blizzard Beach. I switched over to my GoPro so we can have lots of fun in the sun. Do you want to go swimming? Yes. It's so warm. The water is so warm. And like, I'm a wimp with like cold water, so if I say this is warm, it's like bath water, basically. Yay! Oh, my scrunchie just got up. Oh, guys, some implement looks so tall.
I don't know if I could.
I definitely cannot do it. I am too much of a wimp. That worked, right? Alright, so now we're going to head to the chair lifts and we're going to go on some slides. Sorry if you can't really hear me. Sorry if there's water on the lens. That's what you get for using a GoPro. We're going to head this way. Oh,
We're slowing down.
we're slowing down. I think it was a wasp that just flew by us, and I'm afraid of wasps. Me too. But now we're going up there. Guys, Summit is actually terrifying me, just looking at it. I was like, maybe I can man myself up to do it. No.
Look at the hair ties.
All the hair ties. Yeah. That was fun. It's slow, but some of them are like steep. But now we're gonna take a little picture with the Mickey. so it's fine. Today is gorgeous.
So nice.
So nice. We're gonna try and go on these slides now. There's no one here. We have not waited in a line yet, which is amazing. Come on a day where it's supposed to rain, but it doesn't.
Yeah, day, honestly.
Yeah, or a weekday, or like
in February.
I guess off season, because like this isn't really their peak season. So February, maybe March. You know.
March might get spring break, but
Hi. We're ready. We're ready. Oh, you can see tower. I don't know if you can see it, but I can see tower. These bees, they're everywhere. Oh my gosh. No. We're gonna do the other toboggan race now. We don't do bees. We don't do bees here. This is so fast. Hashtag Singles Express.
hashtag me, hashtag a mood.
Yes, also Melinda has Minnie on her towel, and I have Anna and Elsa. Love it. We love Disney towels. All right, donut time. All right, so we've been having a great day here so far. The weather, as you can see, is beautiful.
Oh my gosh, amazing.
It held out for us. It doesn't look like it's gonna rain anymore. And now we're going to get the donuts.
The donuts, and Kaylee gave us extra. She said she normally is supposed to fill it to like here, but she gave us extra. And we got our chocolate sauce.
We got cups of
And we got cast discount, so this was like $5.
Yeah, awesome.
This is Maddie's reaction to her first donut.
It's messy.
Ready? It's so light. Sorry. And fluffy. And it's delicious, and the taste is prime. Good job. Good job.
We're ready now. Ooh. We did our makeup. Natural queen. And I'm wearing my pirate shirt. Why aren't you wearing your Tiki Room shirt?
Because it's in the car.
Are you gonna put it on?
Yeah, I'll put
okay,
it on.
good.
It's just in your car.
We're both gonna wear our attractions shirt. Peace out, Blizzard Beach. See you later in the future. Now, off to Magic Kingdom. We are entering the Magic Kingdom. My hair looks good today.
Yeah, it actually
Thank you, Chlorine. Maybe Dapper Dan's? Dapper Dan's. Alright, so change of plans. We're gonna come back because he's gonna come back in like 5 minutes. We don't have 5 minutes. The castle show starts in 5 minutes. So we're gonna get water in Starbucks real quick, and then we're gonna go to the castle show. Alright, we're just gonna get venti waters. I'll do the thing outside. I'll do the thing outside. You'll see what I mean in a second. Alright, so one of the first stops here when we got to Magic Kingdom was Starbucks for water, because why?
Because you gotta hydrate or dihydrate.
Hydrate or dihydrate. Hydrate or dihydrate. Yep. Do it. Yes. Guys, I'm back. We made it just in time. Woo, woo. Love it. There's the ruffians. They're probably like, this girl comes
who
here
are these
too
girls?
often. Because that's my favorite. I love being extra on the side and waving to all the characters. It's so fun. I highly recommend you do it. I don't know the rest. We come together. That's good. We're gonna play the game. Do we think that Maddie's gonna get scared from the fireworks from filming? Comment down below. I'm trying to prepare myself. update. It scared me. It scared me so bad. It scared me so. All right. We've been delayed.
Florida.
We've been delayed because look at over here. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Look at right there.
I don't know the time exactly of when
It's gross. Beautiful.
Florida.
Thanks, Florida. It's delayed, so we don't know when it's gonna be.
Yeah. Are we just gonna sit here?
Why not? Why not?
The good news is I think it's going to pass because it's going this way. And then if you see this way, it's gotten sunny and bright. And over there it's kind of clearing up. So I think it's going to pass us.
But I still have an umbrella just in case.
Disney Festival of Fantasy Parade.
It's been canceled. Delayed. I think it's gonna be canceled. But now, what are we doing?
We're gonna go to the festival.
We're gonna go see Pooh and Tigger. I'm excited. I'm super excited.
Circus. I mean the characters there.
Oh yeah! You can go meet
Daisy, Donald,
Pluto, and Goofy.
Yes.
I think it's so
taking
funny.
cover.
Like it's rain and it's not thundering or lightning out.
Maybe a little thunder. Oh, my hand's getting wet. Maybe a little bit of thunder, but like other than that, it's not bad. We might go to this Storybook Circus first, and then Pooh and Tigger, but play it by ear, and it's clearing up too, so it's gonna be a quick shower. So like, why is today like a weird day? Like today's just a weird day.
It's kind of weird.
It's kind of weird. This day just, woo! I almost fell. This day just keeps getting weirder and weirder. Like, I'm sorry, what is happening? I can't.
Should we stop doing story time?
All right, so story time. This deaf person, this deaf man or hard of hearing man, comes up to us and he starts doing ASL. I know a tiny, tiny bit of ASL. And what did he do?
He was like gesturing.
No, how to do the 6.
Oh, he was going like
No, he did
No.
5, 1.
5.
He did.
Yeah.
No, he did.
No, wait.
5
Oh, okay, yeah.
and
like
1.
this.
So he did 6. That's not 6 in ASL. This is 6 in ASL. And then he did 2. This is not it. This is 2. And then he did 6 again. So we're like, what? And then he said stitch. But like, okay, I was a little confused for there. And then he goes, push to stitch. So we were being gracious people and pushed him to stitch.
Yeah.
And then he stopped a service dog while he's working to try and pet him and ask its name. You can't do that. I'm sorry guys, if you don't know, you can't pet a service dog when they're working. What? Today just keeps getting weirder and weirder. I can't.
It was very, very awkward. I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know how that happened, but
More updates will come on today. Also, Melinda has a fast pass to Space Mountain, so found a spot right by the exit way kind of thing, and I'm just waiting for her to be done.
I'm excited for Dole Whip.
No, you gotta get the Sunshine Tree Terrace.
I don't know. I am like.
Try it.
We'll see.
We're also in line to meet Tigger and Pooh.
Let's see. I have Tiki Room, so I feel like it has to be Dole Whip.
But you could do, okay, yeah, your choice.
I don't know.
Okay, so we just met Tigger and Pooh, and they were lovely. Again, lots of hugs and squeezes.
So sweet.
So
It's my first time in the thoughtful spot.
The
since I've
first
been here.
time. Second. But yeah, we got lots of pictures this time. Yeah.
That's all we have to say.
That's all we have to say.
We just can't wait. Get excited. Let me hear you say M-I-C-K-E-Y-M-O-U-S-E.
Today's been a good day so far. Been fun. And she got a Dole Whip.
I didn't get the creamsicle thing.
No, the orange one from
Orange Tree Terrace, is that it? And then she took her tiki room picture, which is good. And we're headed to Big Thunder.
Oh, don't want to, yeah, let's all close the boat. Big Thunder.
Alright, Melinda has a fast pass for Peter Pan, so I'm gonna wait for her over by Pinocchio. Can you see it? I can't wait to cry tonight.
Okay, I'll be here.
The tears are already coming. I'm crying. It's been a long day. It always makes me cry. Alright, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. We had a great time at Blizzard Beach and a great but interesting time at Magic Kingdom. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Follow me on Instagram. Yeah, I post almost every day on Instagram. I post every day here on YouTube. It might be interesting to you. It might not be. That's okay. I think it's fun to post. I like it. I enjoy it. So yeah. I will see you guys tomorrow in my next daily vlog. Bye.